silence. LAX, K-Dog, the Notorious 187 Homicide. Down with the S's and the 6-4 hopping. So my old friends in the 787 and those up in Brooklyn pulling 211. I saw through shopping, rolling in my long top trucks. Making sure you suckers feel me every time we buzz. Going 50, 150 G, the feed up, twist up, and some biggies. Like a label out of Houston, sneaky like the fuck up in the shop, straight boosting. To all my gente, loud and quiet. Sabe que momento paisa no dispares. We're killing Cali to the MIA. I go home and crazy kick, man, that boy don't play. In my head, I ain't play, putting it down on that. Representing Southern Cali, get off on this screen. We be Hernandez and Homicide,
Have a dance contest.
Well, Fire Ant was really feeling that song right there. Obviously, LAX taking their time, making Fire Ant, making Jigsaw wait for it, and now the bell sounds and the time for waiting is over. Fire Ant's gonna start off against Homicide, who's taking on the Young Bucks in the first ever House of Glory Tag Team Championship Tournament Finals. Wrist lock applied here from Fire Ant. And a roll out here into a beautiful reversal drop toe hold. And Homicide just smacking him right in the back of his ant skull. Looked like he was trying to actually untie the mask. The mask, one of the most sacred things to these gentlemen from Chikara Pro. And now both men jockeying for position here. Fire Ant has the advantage, but what a bridge. Look at the neck strength from Homicide, and he counters right out there. Look at that leg sweep. And he just grapevines the legs. And a beautiful reversal into an STF there from Homicide. Homicide headlock here. Homicide takes over Fire Emperor. Near pinfall here. Homicide chanting lucha, lucha, lucha. He's got lucha skills. Homicide is well versed in pretty much every form of pro wrestling there is. He's a brawler, he's a grappler, he's a technician. Homicide does it all. What a fireman's carry takeover there. And a kick up here from Fire Ant, slings him off the ropes, reversal from Homicide. Goes for the clothesline, ducked by Fire Ant, ducked again by Homicide. And with an arm drag carry and takeover there from Fire Ant. And a big drop kick. Hernandez out of the corner. Oh, you're not going to do that to Hernandez. Oh, yes, I guess he just did. Unbelievable. And now Jigsaw with a flying clothesline. A forearm smash and a big drop kick. And he just takes down the big man off the apron. That just pissed off Hernandez. And Super-Mex on fire now. He just picks up Jigsaw like he's nothing. Look at the strength. Oh, big backbreaker from the big man. LAX going to the finals? No. Now it's Hernandez in firm control. And a snapmare takeover there from Hernandez. Tags in Homicide. And Homicide somersaults in with a big somersault leg drop. And a big suplex. And he doesn't release. A second suplex. Holds on. And just days after, it's been 8 years since Eddie Guerrero passed on, the Eddie Chance breakout in Queens. Homicide obviously paying homage to one of the true greats of our sport, legendary Eddie Guerrero. They love nothing more than to tribute him by winning these House of Glory tag team titles. Jigsaw off the ropes and a flying elbow smash from Notorious 187. Here comes the big man of the group. This just shows you the heart and desire of Jigsaw and Fire Ant. That drive-by signature move, usually good enough to put any opponent away. But this isn't any opponents, and this isn't any normal tag team match. A trip to the championship round, an opportunity to win the tag team titles on the line. And now Hernandez just immobilizing, neutralizing Jigsaw. Got that knee planted right in the midsection there, right in the small of the back rather. He's got those arms butterflied out to the sides. Oh, and he just does a big chop right to the chest. LAX doing what they do. Fluid tags in and out now. Scoop slam from the big man Hernandez. Just taunting Fire Ant now. from Jigsaw. Can he tag in his partner, Fire Ant? There's the big tag from Fire Ant. Big tag from Hernandez. Fire Ant flies and he hits Hernandez with a flying crossbody splash. What a big pun right to the big man. It's Homicide in now. And it's a wheelbarrow face buster from Fire Ant. And a suicide dive. And a flying missile drop kick. Fire Ant, he's fired up. 1 and 10 in all. And now we tag into Hernandez. The big man's got Fire Ant up. He's gonna dead press him over his head here, military style. Oh my lord. Wow, what goes up must go down. But it's Jigsaw with a big flying forearm smash. But Homicide, he gets hit with a, Homicide hits him with a cutter. Oh, and a big splash from Hernandez. He gets on.
Ambassadors of violence, LAX, HOG, and Notorious Ladies and gentlemen, your winners are advancing to the tournament championship finals. LAX. In the 787 and those up in Brooklyn pulling 211. So through Chicago, pulling in my low top chucks, making sure you suckers give me every time we bust. Check them up like a nut, going 50, 150 G on the feed up, greased up in some dickies. Like the label out of Houston, sneaky like the clock.
There we go. It's gonna be the Young Bucks versus LAX for the House of Glory Tag Team Championship. What a match that's gonna be. That's coming up in just a little bit. We're live from Queens, New York. This is Fight for Gold.